I'm showing the Portsviews 3640 that's located in Aventura, the unit 203. They did a big renovation in the corridors. They did a big renovation in the lobby. I'm going to show also the lobby. Let's take a look here. It's about 1,310 square feet, 2 bedrooms, 2 baths. The good thing is they have this huge balcony. Look at this balcony. Doesn't look like 2 bedrooms balconies. The balcony by themselves, I believe they have like 500, 600 square feet. It's a huge. And there is a second floor, but you feel like a house. They do have the intercoastal view. You're able to see the luxury homes across the street. This street is very quiet. They have 2 gates, security. They have very nice, a lot of gas parkings.
Here's the balcony.
They did some storage over there. They do have a lot of windows. They have the shutters. It's not hurricane impact windows, but they do have the hurricane protection. And here you have you're able to put maybe a den if you want, or live like that. They do have old tiles. It's a nice TV area. That's the master suite. There's a lot of cabinets. I like the way they did. They use the entire height. They probably is a 9 feet height. There's a lot of I don't know if the furniture is included. Also, they do have extra closet here. They do have another area here. This build is from 1990s, but they did some renovation. Not too much, but they did. Okay. And here is the kitchen. These look like new.
He has a bumblebee on his belt. Baby!
They do have this countertop. They probably did the renovation of the kitchen probably 10 years ago. It's not original, but it's not brand new. But they do have a lot of cabinets. They did like those cabinets here. There's a washer and dryer. They do have this extra. Actually, the second bathroom. In the second bedroom here, in this one, they do have a decent door closets. They probably changed the flooring. They do have access to the balconies. Now I don't know if I show the master bathroom. Let me show the master bathroom here. It's a very good size. Also another spaces. They did some upgrade here. It's a nice apartment.